Hello student, I am Professor Kakade Ramesh from RSU Technical Campus in MBA Department, CHAS, Ahmednagar. So, subject name is Service Marketing and today's new chapter 5 number Application of Service Marketing. So, what is the application of service marketing? Like service related point in tourism, hotel management, advocates, teachers, that is service related point. In so first, marketing in tourism. Marketing in tourism. So, what is the marketing in tourism? Depends on, that is, this principal product provided by the tourism business are experience and hospitality and the hence of tourism in the service of the tangible and intangible product. It depends on service, tangible product and intangible product. So, tourism is including that intangible product. Intangible product. And tangible product means that is, for example, chalk, duster, that is tangible product. And intangible products including that the service. Okay? So, depends on the difficult but also importance is makes more difficult in that the customer is able to compare service offering. The customer has to more in toward the product and not the product coming of the customer in this area. That is marketing tourism. In this area, it depends on location, place, that is area in tourism. Okay. So next point is marketing mix of tourism service. Marketing mix of tourism service. Tourism services. So, first point, it's product mix. Product mix. Product mix means the product covers are the shape of the form of the what was the offering, the prospective customer, the characteristic of the product designed by the strategy management, design in response marketing manners, knowledge of the consumer wants, need to the benefits, so tourism product including that the for example basic of design. Example, basic of design, then packaging, in related on the product mix, that is components of the put together in the offer customer. For example, short bake package, short bake package means market related and customer related hotel group. Okay, so branding the focus of the communication in identify particular product with the particular set of the value, unique image, टुरिझम मार्केटिंग मिक्स टुरिझममध्ये प्रोडक्ट मिक्समध्ये बेसिक ऑफ डिझाईन त्यानंतर नेम इमेज यामध्ये खूप इम्पॉर्टंट दिलेला असतो कारण प्रोडक्ट जर अट्रॅक्टिव्ह जर असेल तर आपण काय करतो की त्याला परचेस करू शकतो. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये तुमची स्कीम असेल किंवा अदरवाईज पॅकेजिंग असेल किंवा डिझाईन असेल तुमचं प्रेझेंटेशन असेल दॅट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट things on the product mix. Okay, so next point is second is price mix. Second one, price mix. Price mix. What is in the price mix? Price decorated to the publish of the negotiation, term of the exchange, transaction of product. That is transaction of product. Transaction of product and money one person to another person. Okay, so amazing determine the sales of the value revenue objective in customer value. That is product utmost in the published regular in the discount and promotional price. So related type discount. For example, buy one get one free. Price mix. Okay. So potential needs of the manipulate in the quality depends on your product price. Nothing but जर प्रोडक्ट जर चांगला असेल तुमची जर सर्विस जर चांगली असेल तर त्या क्वालिटीच्या रिलेटेड तुमची प्राइस असली पाहिजे. जर क्वालिटी वीक असेल तर तुमची प्राइस तिथं जास्त चालणार नाही. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट थर्ड वन इज द प्लेस मिक्स. थर्ड वन प्लेस मिक्स. Place mix. So place is the location of the points in sales provided prospective customer. For example, place on the location, mapping, internet, and logistic management, transportation, important points. लोकेशन मध्ये प्लेस मध्ये लोकेशन खूप इम्पॉर्टंट असतं. त्याच्यामध्ये मॅप, त्याच्यानंतर इंटरनेट, लॉजिस्टिक मॅनेजमेंट आणि ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन. यामध्ये आपण एका ठिकाणावरून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी आपण प्रोडक्ट पोच करू शकतो. पण यामध्ये मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग असते ट्रॅव्हलिंग अँड टुरिझम. जर ट्रॅव्हलिंग चांगल्या प्रमाणात नसेल तर काही उपयोग होत नाही प्लेसमेंटचा. ओके, सो सेकंड फोर्थ पॉईंट प्रमोशन मिक्स. Promotion mix. What is my promotion mix? Promotion including advertising, direct mailing, advertising. Direct mailing and sales promotion. सेल्स प्रमोशन. आज प्रमोशनमध्ये आपण काय सांगू शकतो, त्याच्यामध्ये फॉर एक्झाम्पल रियालिटी शो powered by Lux in advertising. Okay, so direct mailing, buy one get one free, sales promotion, discount related on the discount, promotion mix. Okay, and brand ambassador also in celebrity. आता प्रमोशन मिक्समध्ये आपण काय करू शकतो, जर एखाद्या प्रोडक्टचं जर मार्केटिंग करायचं असेल तर आपण ब्रँड ॲम्बॅसेडर चूज करतो, जेणेकरून त्या ॲम्बॅसेडरची पब्लिक इमेज असू शकते. ओके, त्यानंतर ॲडव्हर्टायझिंग करू शकतो चांगल्या प्रकारे. त्यानंतर डायरेक्ट मेलिंग करू शकतो आपण वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन. सो 51 इज पीपल. People. Frontline personnel are the refer of the public face in the of service. Their physical appearance, behavior, knowledge, attitude have a powerful impact on the customer perception that is related on the your employee satisfaction. Employee satisfaction, most important point. पीपलमध्ये एम्प्लॉई सॅटिस्फॅक्शन खूप इम्पॉर्टंट असतं. मग याच्यामध्ये जे प्रोड्युसर आहे ते कस्टमरला कशा प्रकारे ट्रीटमेंट करतात, त्यांचं बिहेवियर कशा प्रकारे असू शकतं, त्याच्यानंतर ॲटिट्यूड असू शकतो, त्याच्यानंतर स्किल अँड नॉलेज, या सर्व गोष्टींचा ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये विचार केला जातो. एम्प्लॉई सॅटिस्फॅक्शन हॅज पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह लॉंग टर्म कन्सिस्ट कन्झ्युमर सॅटिस्फॅक्शन इन द एम्प्लॉई सॅटिस्फॅक्शन and consumer satisfaction. And consumer satisfaction depends on organization related and depends on market related. Market related people. Okay, so next point, 6 point is process. Frontline personnel are the refer in the public face. Okay, so it is way of the undertaking transaction, supplying information and providing service, way to which aspected in the effective process, that is depends on supply chain management. Supply chain management including producer to consumer, that is process, like your product design, your product quality, your product price, and customer satisfaction process are one people to another people, location, including the all point depends on the process. Okay, so 7 point physical evidence. Physical evidence. Physical evidence. Sales take place and product consumed. That is, customer is often insured of the with the product during to the design making and decision making. It's most important. Decision making and customer relation. and customer relation. That is physical evidence. Okay. So marketing mix, tourism service, including point is product mix, price mix, place mix, promotion mix, people, process, and physical evidence. Okay. So thank you so much.